Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a printable junk journal slot, pocket and tabbed card set using one of my easy-to-use junk journal templates. This one-page template set includes a slot pocket, 4 cards and tabs, plus a pocket label. The finished size of the pocket is about 3 inches wide by 5.5 inches high. The pocket has tabs on 3 sides, so you can glue it directly onto your junk journal page. However, you can also easily make a backing for it so that you can use it as a detached embellishment for your junk journals. The templates come in 2 formats. The PDF format is easy to print and can be used with your own printable papers or scrapbook papers. Or you can use the transparent PNG format in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or even Canva. Using the PNG format gives you more creative options for designing using digital papers. To print using your own paper, open the PDF template file. In the Print dialog box, make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of printable paper or scrapbook paper into your printer and then print the template page. You can easily see the outline to cut out and assemble the pieces. Although the PDF templates are quick and easy to use, you have more options for creating unique designs when using the transparent PNG format files. To get started designing using the PNG format files, open one of the templates in your photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements, however you could also use Photoshop, Photopea, which is free, or even Canva. Then add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. To add the digital paper, you can use the menu commands to select, copy and paste. Or simply drag the image out of the frame and onto the document. I'm using digital pages and papers from the latest Junk Journal Printables Club kit, which is titled The Eternal Garden. However, you could use any other type of digital paper pack. You can resize and move the paper around and even use multiple papers to align the pattern within the individual elements on the template. If there's any unwanted overlap of the papers onto other sections of the template, simply add a layer mask and brush away the unwanted areas. Using a layer mask, you can hide any unwanted areas on your design. To add a layer mask, select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select the brush tool and the color black, and then brush over the overlapping area that you want to hide. Once you've completed your design, save the file in JPEG format for easy printing. Then print the page onto a sheet of cardstock and cut out all the pieces. The easiest way to cut out the slots in the pocket is to use a craft knife with a sharp pointed blade and carefully cut away the sections. To assemble the slot pocket, crease and fold the pocket tabs. Then crease and fold the card tabs and glue them to the top of each of the cards. There's also a label included that you can glue to the front of the pocket if you want to use it. Included with this printable junk journal kit are prompt labels that I'm going to glue onto each of the cards. These prompts can be used to create a story for your journal. Apply some glue or double-sided tape to the tabs on the pocket. Although this slot pocket and card set is designed to be glued directly onto a journal page, you can also easily make a backing for it so that you can use it as a detached embellishment for your junk journals. To make a backing for the pocket, cut a piece of printed cardstock 3 inches wide by 5.5 inches long. Then press the tabs on the front of the pocket to the backing. If the backing doesn't fit perfectly, cut away any overhanging edges. You can use this template over and over again to make unlimited and unique pocket and card sets.